After thinking about it, I realized maybe this gray feeling comes from holding back emotions, from keeping them inside. Being Palestinian, living in a place that feels relatively safe, and going through daily life almost normally, that alone makes you carry constant guilt. You feel guilty when you eat, you feel guilty when you drink, even when you do the smallest, simplest things. It's like you become afraid of feeling anything too strongly.